Always the biggest issue when you're a truck driver is everything is your fault. If there's an accident, you're at fault.
When my insurance broker contacted me and told us that our insurance was going to go up because there was only 2 riders for the state of West Virginia, that it would open up more marketplaces if we had the integrated video and the GPS systems in our vehicles. So we called Verizon, was very impressed with their technology they was going to put in our trucks. It opened up more of a marketplace and a reduction on our annual insurance premium by $200,000.
Just the other day, we got a text and it was just said that our service truck had slammed on the brakes.
A car had passed him and locked up her brakes in front of him.
And within 5 minutes of it happening, I had the video. And we collided with her and she tried to sue us 3 different times. But with the video from Verizon Connect that we sent her, they dropped it each time.
I would say that it's probably saved us tens of thousands, or just with one accident.
Like, I was to the point that I was going to quit my job until I started to understand that I had an advocate, you know, that the camera could help me out of a bad situation.
When we get a new truck in, they're wanting the cameras in.
So if you're a trained professional and you have a camera in your truck and you go out and do your job every day, you have a witness.
I cannot imagine our trucks not having Verizon Connect. It protects the driver and it protects the company.